Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about the market. How is it acting? What's going on? My opinion. Let's get it. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Rich, and today I'm going to talk about the market with you guys. We're going to talk about it and give you my opinion on what I think is going on, what may happen in the near future. I can't predict it. Have no idea what the future is actually going to do, what's going to happen, who's going to do what, but things are looking very hopeful at this point. So let's talk about it. Let's get it. All right, taking a look at CoinMarketCap right now, our total value of crypto within the ecosystem is 1.6 trillion. Bitcoin's holding a dominance at 42%. And the value of Bitcoin right now is at $23,195, which is great. It was up to about, I think, 23,600. Total market cap on Bitcoin right now is $447 million. Ethereum's total value is $198 million, which is great. Price tag per coin right now is $1,600. Cardano is still ranked number 8 in just about 38 cents. DJ's about to be released. Folks, imagine if the stablecoin catches up to Binance USD as a stablecoin with a total value of 15 billion. That would be huge. And if we can get almost close to UST, which is at 67 billion, that would be phenomenal. You can imagine what prices would be at that point. So we have a lot of time. Let's take a look at the charts on the exchange. I'm not going to do any technical analysis. I'm not a technical guy. I'm just going to give you my opinion of what I believe is happening right now. I will load up TradingView and take a look, and we can take a guesstimate of what we think is going to happen. So taking a look at Bitcoin. So the price of Bitcoin fell from 21, went all the way down to 15, then slowly started to rise up. We got back to 21, came up a little bit, went back down, but now we're kind of steady. All right, this is the 4-hour chart right now. I mean, just look at this growth. This is happening. The volume is a lot higher, it's a lot better than it was back over here. You look at it now, it's more consistent. People are selling off, they're gonna get scared. People who made money down at these levels are selling off because they made some profit, right? It's not bad to take $7,000 out of profit per coin if you made that, right? That's over 50%, or just under 50%, about 40% profit. That's not bad at all. So it looks good. In my opinion, we're in a bullish trend, a huge bullish trend. There's a lot of momentum happening right now with Bitcoin. It's looking good. It just jumped up to 23.2. This is really good for our ecosystem. I do believe we have some bullish activity. Remember, this is crypto, is a small ecosystem, so what goes up must come down. So we may have some downtrends over the weekend. So hopefully we'll get sometime next week, we'll hit the $25,000 range, and then I expect some pullback around to 20, 22, and then some more upward momentum, maybe level off for a couple weeks, then go back down again, and then fluctuate between 20, 25, and 30 for some time. But that's just my opinion. I've been in this ecosystem for a little while. This is not, Binance US has been around for a little over 3 years now. And it doesn't show the whole chart, but this is very interesting, right? Look at this. Came up, down, up. We're going down. And it looks like we're about to get momentum to come back up. Look at the volume that's happening right now. That's really huge. It's a big sign in comparison to where it was even when Bitcoin went up to the high ranges of the 60s. It didn't have this volume. So just my humble opinion, I am not a technical analysis. I am not giving financial advice, but I do believe we're in a nice bullish cycle, and it could have a lot more upward momentum than a lot of people are giving it credit for. I don't believe we're going to go back down into the $16,000 range, but I do believe that we're going to start moving upward and reach that 25, pull back, and hopefully get to about 30, 28, 30. I do believe that. Let's take a look at Cardano. And that's what we really want to see, right? We're Cardano buffs, enthusiasts. So in the reverse, Cardano's most momentum was back here. It rose up during the bull trend or the bull cycle, then went up again, It hit a high at $3. I believe it was $3.10 or $3.90. But it looks like we have some little signs of life here. If Cody is as expected, then Cardano would have a major upswing, in my humble opinion, which is going to happen next week. And if we can get Cody's DJed coin to get a total value locked in the billions, whoo, that's going to be amazing. We can look and guess to see that Cardano will be worth a lot of money in the next bull cycle of 2025. But we do also have Emergo is going to release a stable coin backed by fiat currency in the next couple of weeks as well. So let's see what happens there. But if each of those stable coins can be brought up in total value, right, in the billions of dollars, it's a major milestone for Cardano, no matter how you look at it, right? All these major projects that have these stable coins, right, the DAI stable coin, every which one of them makes a big difference, right? So we take a look at DAI. DAI's at 5.9 billion. So there's a lot going on in Cardano. I mean, DeFi Llama right now does not weigh in any stable coin other than what's going on with the whole Indigo protocol, right, which is now valued at $13.8 million, which is, again, minor in comparison to where we want to be. We need to see Indigo at like $500 million, $1 billion. We need to see MinSwap and Wing Riders also in the hundreds of millions of dollars. We need to see these projects really kicking off. We need to see major growth in DeFi. And to get major growth in DeFi, what do we need? We need these stablecoin assets, and we need them to be interchangeable on DEXs. We need them on the DEXs. We need them to be liquid on exchanges as well. We need that. So it going on Bitrue is major. We need IUSD on the exchanges as well. We need this, and we need to get that ASAP. On the Cardano DEXs, there isn't that massive liquidity like there is on other platforms, but it's coming. It is coming. Right, we look at Uniswap on Ethereum is at $3.8 billion right now. Look at Tron's Just Lend is at $3.6 billion as well. Major milestone. We look at PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain. That's at $2.4 billion. Total value locked on Binance Smart Chain is $4.8 billion. And Cardano has a way better ecosystem, a development chain than Binance Smart Chain. Right, QuickSwap on Polygon is only $172 million. The Aave token on Polygon is at $300 million, and they have $1.18 billion locked. And the last one I'm going to look at is going to be AVAX Avalanche. So AVAX, Aave again, has $300 million locked. And then you have Trader Joe, which is the major DEX on AVAX, is at $96 million total value locked, right? With a total value locked on the whole chain for DeFi is $910 million. This is also layer 2 on Ethereum. This is we can get there with Cardano, and it had at one point a $12 billion total value locked on its ecosystem. Take a look at Trader Joe. At one time was at $2.4 billion locked, and right now on DeFi Llama, Cardano is ranked as a chain on DeFi as number 27. We're gonna jump up after this DJed coin comes in. I think we'll probably be in the top 20. Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna be major. And we're on the cusp of major growth. It's going to happen. It's definitely going to happen. It's my humble belief. I can't express how I feel more than enough than I do honestly believe that the growth on Cardano is going to be tremendous in the next 2 years. I mean, anything can happen. I don't know the future. Something weird can happen. I mean, look what happened to the Nomad Bridge, and we lost millions in total value locked because of that. If not, Cardano would have been way up. We were already at 300 million. We probably would have been at 500-600 million right now. Let's see what the future holds. So thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like the content, please hit that like button. If you want to get notified every time I make a video, hit that bell notification. Subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the channel. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it stronger. Get it out to more people. I do believe the market is in a bullish cycle, bullish trend right now. Maybe not a cycle, but definitely a bullish trend. There is going to be some bearish activities between now and 2024 of April with the next halving. But things can change, right? There's major players coming into crypto. Regulations about to come in the US, which the whole world is waiting for. And the sky's the limit. That's all I can say. Black Star, we are the light in the darkness. Peace.